The AICA Sire Selector tool is a valuable way to identify some of the best genetics in the Charolais breed today. This searchable database allows users to sort and filter animals according to many EPD, index, and other aspects to customize the approach of each user's selection criteria. To access this tool, simply go to the Charolais website, www.charolaiusa.com. Under the Registration tab, look for the last entry called Charolais Search and click the white highlighted letters. This will open a new website page that allows you to find the entry for the Sire and Dam Selector, the third item in red. Click this link. This opens up a grid matrix that allows you to identify all the relevant traits of importance that you may be searching for in the genetics that you're about to seek out. You can utilize parameters within each trait, either lower or upper, as well as percent ranking within the breed. For example, top 10% for that particular trait. You can also identify what minimum accuracy you'd like to require for that trait. You can utilize multiple search fields at the same time, allowing you to truly customize the genetics that you're searching for. So, for example, we will utilize the upper and lower parameters of calving ease from a 0 to a 5, as well as looking at the very valuable TSI number, looking for a minimum of 200 and up. Once you've selected which EPD parameters you'd like to utilize, you can then come over and select either a Sire or Dam list. In this case, we'll utilize Sires. To allow you to make sure that you find just the right animals that you're searching for, you can click AI Sires Only to find bulls that you know that you can purchase frozen semen on, or in the case of dams, embryo donor dams only, and those are the animals that will populate within the list. Some of the other interesting things that you can sort for include age of the animal, herd book status, either purebred, crossbred, full French, percentage, and charbray, horn polled status, and you can identify the number of results reported per page on the next screen that we'll see. One of the really interesting aspects of this is it allows you to double sort the genetics that you're seeking out. In other words, you can identify the parameters on the left-hand side of the screen, and then you can order the results that it serves up. So in this case, we can utilize and identify the highest yearling weight performance bulls along with those calving ease scores and TSI scores by clicking yearling weight descending, meaning that the highest yearling weights will be listed first once we click through. And once you're ready to click through to the next page, simply click the blue search button. This has returned several results. It tells you how many results that it returns in red. And again, like we mentioned, it allows you to see the highest yearling weight animals in a descending fashion, allowing you to essentially double sort the genetics that you're looking for while maintaining those EPD parameters that you initially selected in the left-hand field. If you'd like to return to that saved search, simply click New Search in the blue square button, and it will reload the initial search page with the existing parameters saved within it. Another interesting thing that you can utilize is simply identifying which get out of a certain sire follow these parameters. So in this case, we'll utilize a registration number from a sire, And then this will allow us to search that sire's records of his resulting progeny with the EPD search criteria that we've identified over here in the left-hand pane. Again, by simply clicking search. There you see all the progeny that are produced by that sire. That also qualify for the search parameters that we have highlighted earlier. This trait is also available for dams, so we'll clear out this sire in order to show you how produce of dams can also be searched. Again, utilizing similar parameters over here on the left-hand side. And simply clicking the search button to pull her progeny records that meet our search needs. And this shows the progeny that qualified through the search. Should you have any questions on this, we welcome you to contact us at any time. If you'd like more information about the Charolais breed, or for more information about the American International Charolais Association, we welcome you to visit www.charolaiusa.com or contact any one of our staff if we can be of further assistance.